Stop paying for ChatGPT because this Chinese AI model has beaten ChatGPT's O1. DeepSeek AI, a Chinese LLM company, claiming that their latest model DeepSeek R1 Pro has beaten ChatGPT's O1 model in most of the standard benchmarking scores. Just few days back, after the TikTok ban in the USA, China is again all over the US with the DeepSeek trending #1 in the App Store and hashtag being flooded about this new ChatGPT killer. The news has also created panic in the US tech industry as the Nasdaq tech stocks lost over $2 trillion since the news has been burst. So is this another aha moment for the world of LLM? Let's understand this by breaking down this video into 3 major points, where each point will give you better understanding of the exact thing and you will not need any other video for this topic. But before we start this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and keep following Analytics Lab. Now, before we start getting into DeepSeek and various LLMs, let's understand what are LLMs. So as we all know, LLM stand for large language models. These are the machine learning models trained on the billions of pieces of information from all over the world. Whether it's internet, books, news report, talks, anything or everything. And because of this gigantic data training, these models can answer your questions by providing you the most relevant source of information personalized to you. But this is the case with the general models, which can give you access to very standardized information. The comparison of DeepSeek and ChatGPT are being drawn using their reasoning models. Understand this by simple example. Let's ask ChatGPT one simple question like what's the square root of 100? Instead of directly answering this question, O1 will give you the reasoning behind it, like why the square root of 100 is 10 and not 11. And we'll do the same thing with DeepSeek and you can see it is giving you the whole reasoning behind the answer and breaking it into smaller steps. But you can see the reasoning prompt in case of DeepSeek are much more in detailed and very well organized as compared to O1. This can be very useful for the reverse engineering of advanced problem, logic behind the complex programs and much more. And cool fact here is that DeepSeek offering this feature for free, as ChatGPT giving the basic feature of O1 reasoning for $20 and even charging $200 for some advanced features. But how DeepSeek is able to achieve this? And here comes our first point, the chain of thought model. Understand this as thinking out loud in public and somebody is taking notes of your every step. So DeepSeek is using this chain of thought model in their R1 Pro, where the model actually tells you in real time like how it thought about your question and why it generated a particular response. Suppose you asked a very simple question, who is the most popular cricketer in India? And it gives you the answer as Virat Kohli. And while going through the reasoning, you notice the model has used Instagram followers as a base parameter. And now you can alter it by telling answer by analyzing their IPL track record. Now it will tweak the answer accordingly. So this constant loop of reprompting and re-engineering the responses opens the door for the larger and more personalized use case. The second point is reinforced learning. Most of the standard LLMs, whether it's ChatGPT, Cloud, Llama or Gemini, they all are based on the supervised fine-tuned learning. In simple terms, these models are trained on the data sets. To get the accurate result, the data set has to be very large. For example, ChatGPT 3 is trained on 175 billion tokens. Google Palm is trained on 540 billion tokens, and the later version of ChatGPT 4 and the Meta's Llama are trained on over the trillion tokens and parameters. As we are talking on a trillion scale, it requires lot of special hardwares and computing cost. And this was the reason of massive rise in the valuation of companies like Nvidia in the recent years, because they provide this GPU to train these models on supercomputers that requires millions of dollars. And ChatGPT basic model costed $12 million to create. But DeepSeek has taken a different approach here. Instead of going for a supervised fine-tuning, they have come up with something called reinforced learning model. Understand this by an analogy. When a baby tries to walk for the first time, he might fall multiple times. But it's just matter of time that same baby walks frequently and even start running. Reinforced learning is the same, where the model takes up a problem and starts solving at its own and will learn from its mistake and rectifies them. And unlike ChatGPT's fine-tuned learning, DeepSeek R1 actually creates multiple pathways or approaches for the same problem and will continue with the approach that has the highest reward score. Take a look at this graph. These are the AIME accuracy score between the DeepSeek R1 and the ChatGPT's O1. Initially, when the number of steps were less, the R1 was performing very poorly. But as the number of steps increased, the accuracy score of R1 started increasing significantly. And at some places it has surpassed the O1 and it can eventually reach the 100% accuracy score after further increasing the steps. While the O1 shows a constant graph as it does not have a reinforced learning capabilities. And by using this, DeepSeek has saved millions of dollars as the whole project has been wrapped off by using crowdfunding of $5.5 million without using any super expensive GPUs. And the last point is the model distillation. Understand this as a student-teacher example. As teacher knows the whole syllabus, but for better understanding of students, teacher breaks down the entire syllabus into smaller chapters. DeepSeek is replicating the same. As the whole model is trained on 671 billion parameters, but due to the high cost and energy requirement of training such a large model, DeepSeek has broken the model into the pieces of 7 billion parameters and taught them using the larger LLMs like Llama and ChatGPT. This in turn gives the best result as these smaller LLMs are performing better than their teachers due to smaller parameters and token size. And by combining all these smaller LLMs and putting them together, DeepSeek R1 has been created, and that's why it is so accurate, fast and cost effective. So does that mean DeepSeek is the new boss in the business and ChatGPT will be outdated? No, not really, because DeepSeek is a reasoning model and can be used best for the purpose like mathematics or high-level programming, and it does not have simple Gen AI application like image generation or video generation till date. And because being a Chinese model, a lot of data related to Chinese government and topics such as Taiwan and Tibet is being censored and not available. But it has many advantages too, and the biggest being it is completely free and it is open source, means you and I can build tools on top of it without creating our own LLM. But what do you think how American AI and chip companies will react to this development in long term, as Donald Trump just held the president office? Do comment your opinion, and for more such informative case studies, do follow Analytics Lab.